Today's vlog is going to be super simple. We're just tiling this wall. You'll see me cutting out this valve and how I mess it up and start over. Also, you'll see the process of assembling this wall itself. I'm going to throw it into time lapse, have you guys check it out. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Enjoy the time lapse. Alright, so that's how you tile this wall. Essentially, I like to batch cut this entire row this way. It's exactly the same and you don't have any variations in it, anything like that. You set the bumper up downstairs at the saw, pre-cut everything. Then these, I measure 2 at a time because then it gives you that flexibility to make sure that you're actually getting a really nice cut into here. Then tomorrow we're going to graft this and this shower is over. So I'll see you in the next one.